Hi, I'm Jonah Cayson with Wilsonville Subaru. I'm the delivery specialist here, and I'm here to show you about keyless entry with your brand new Subaru. So let's get started here. Right here we have a beautiful 2024 Outback Limited XT, and we have the key fob here. I'm going to show you everything that you can do with keyless access. So your key fob has 4 different buttons. You have the lock, the unlock, which is the Subaru logo, as well as opening of the rear gate. All you have to do is press and hold that button and it'll open up the rear gate, and then the panic button. You also have a hidden key inside of your Subaru key that pops out right below it. When approaching your Subaru, if it's completely locked, all you have to do is have your key in your pocket. You never have to touch your key fob to be able to get in and out of your Subaru using keyless access. On the door handle, you have 2 little notches. What that is your locking mechanism. When you push the button, it locks the car for you, all because your key is close to the door and it is now locked. Heading to the back of the vehicle, we're able to unlock using a few different methods. Now, since we're on an Outback, we do have access to the hands-free rear gate and also pushing the button to be able to just open it on up. And it is a power rear gate, so it does it all on its own power. Pressing buttons will be able to close it, of course. Moving over to the passenger side, we have the same setup as the driver's side door, except the difference between this and the driver's side is that grabbing the passenger door handle will unlock the entirety of the vehicle and not just the driver door. That is the basis of keyless access. Have a fantastic rest of your day.